In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use snippets in HubSpot. Snippets are short, reusable text blocks you can drop into emails, notes, and chats, so you don't have to retype the same message over and over. They're perfect for common intros, follow-ups, pricing blurbs, or answers to frequently asked questions. I'll walk you through creating one from scratch and share a few quick tips to make yours clear and efficient. Start on your HubSpot homepage. From the main navigation, hover over the CRM section to reveal more tools, then click Snippets. This takes you to your snippet library, where you'll see any existing snippets and controls to manage them. If you don't see snippets in the menu, you may need the right permissions or a seat that includes this feature, so check with your admin. Next, click Create Snippet. You'll land in the snippet editor. Think of this page as three parts: the internal name, the shortcut, and the content itself. The internal name is just for you and your team. Make it descriptive so it's easy to find later, like intro, product demo request, rather than something vague. The shortcut is the keystroke you'll type to insert the snippet when you're writing. Keep it short, memorable, and unique, such as demo intro or pay but intro. Avoid common words so you don't trigger it by accident. Consistency is key. Use a simple pattern across your team so everyone remembers it. In the content box, write the actual text you want to reuse. Keep it clear, friendly, and adaptable. If your message needs a personal touch, add obvious placeholders like first name or company to remind you to customize it before sending. You can add light formatting for readability, but keep it concise so your message doesn't feel heavy. Read it out loud once. If it sounds stiff, trim it. Make sure there's nothing sensitive in the snippet body. Avoid personal data or anything that shouldn't be reused broadly. When you're happy with the name, shortcut, and content, click Save Snippet. You'll be returned to your library where your new snippet appears and is ready to use. A quick tip for later: when you're composing an email or a note in HubSpot, start typing the shortcut you set, and the snippet will appear for quick insertion. You can also use the snippets icon in supported editors to search by name. Over time, keep your library tidy by archiving outdated messages and refining high-use snippets so they stay accurate and on brand. That's it. Your first HubSpot snippet is created and ready to save you time.